So here in the capital, what's making headline is the fact that Aam Aadmi Party MLA Samad Bharti has in fact got bail the very same day that Delhi police arrested him for the second time. He in fact has been booked in 2 FIRs, and this is the latest arrest to have taken place where a Delhi government MLA has in fact been taken into custody by the Delhi police, but at the very same day he was granted bail by the court. Now this case essentially is about Mr. Bharti being allegedly involved in a case of assault where he apparently went with around 30 odd supporters to AIIMS hospital here in the capital and apparently broke down a portion of the wall. There was some sort of dispute going on between AIIMS and PWD regarding the matter, and security guards of AIIMS had in fact alleged in their complaint to the police that Mr. Bharti had instigated the mob to attack them and break down a portion of the wall. But in the court during the arguments, the court actually said that at this point in time it does not seem that it is a case of obstructing public servant from their duty. That was the section which had been imposed by the Delhi police, because AIIMS security guards are private people and not police, not working for the government. So that section was disputed. In a way, the court said that is of course a matter of trial, but at this point in time, because Mr. Bharti is an MLA, he is not going to flee from the city at any point of time, giving up his responsibilities, which is why the court says actually concluded that he deserved bail. So Mr. Bharti in fact walked out from the court premises just a short while back. Let's listen into what he had to say, what was the message from him to the Delhi police and the central government.
The Delhi police is not doing on its own. Delhi police is under tremendous pressure from Mr. Modi. Mr. Modi is focusing his energy towards Aam Aadmi Party. He should have been focusing towards Pakistan. Pakistan is killing our soldiers. He needs to be teaching lesson to Pakistan. He's going there and having biryani. Today, Mr. Modi must learn a lesson. He must do his duty. His duty was to protect the nation from Pakistan, from outsiders. He's finding enemies in us. We may be political enemy. We're doing our duty. Today, he has discredited 2 institutions, AIIMS and Delhi police also.
The number of arrests in which Delhi MLAs have been involved in, Aam Aadmi Party MLAs, has gone up to 15 now. I mean, of course, the number of arrests are multiple now. With you also, this is the second arrest. Do you think that, I mean, the Delhi government has in fact been saying that there's some sort of an agenda in all these cases?
There is surely an agenda. That's what I have been saying. The Delhi police FIR, how much time does it take? There is a written complaint against Aarti Mehra, Bhajpa Neta, in Hoshkhas police station. It's been months. No action on that. Why? Is it because from BJP? The written complaint against Jitendra Kumar Kochar in Malvinagar police station. No action. Why? Because he's from Congress. You want to take action only against Aam Aadmi Party? Such misuse and abuse of police by Mr. Modi will be very costly to him. He's digging his own grave with his own hands. He'll be pushed in that grave by the people of India.